Hello friends, welcome once again. Today also I brought a very nutritious and very delicious dish that is very handy and can be made within minutes. I've taken the rice as that is staple food as base, and the single pot nutri rice, which are very nutritious and very healthy and which can be cooked very easily. So friends, welcome to Healthy Diet. Stick on to Healthy Diet, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Let's have a look quick how it can be prepared. For this, I've taken the simple things: soya, nutri. This is soya bean, nutri, Nutrilla you can get in market. It is easily available in the prepared form. And second thing I've taken is staple food, that is rice. And then you can take broccoli or cauliflower or any other vegetable that is of your taste. I've taken this. You can take anything else. Wash it, cut it into pieces, small pieces, big ones, of any shape you can cut. I have taken these ones. Then I've taken tomatoes. Tomatoes, that is good source of vitamin C and available at every. You can cut into small pieces. One ball, and then 1 big spoon sesame seeds, little coriander seeds or parsley, then little ginger and a few spices. Let's get started. First thing you have to do is you have to take these soya chunks. You can take of any brand. It is available in so many varieties. This is 1 big cup. Wash them properly 3-4 times and then soak in water till time we put it in pan. Now on gas, take a pan and add 1 small spoon, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and 2 big spoons oil, ghee, butter, whichever you want to make in. You can put anything of your choice. Butter will do nice, ghee will do. You can take any, then roast it to light brown, then add half spoon turmeric powder, few curry leaves, chilies 1, 2, 3, as many what sort you want to make. Then roast them for half a minute, 30 seconds at low flame. Rest it. Then you can add your vegetable stock, whichever vegetable you like. Mix it properly. Now you can add rest of your spices. You can add that. And the spices what I've added, this salt. Salt 1 spoon. I added 1 spoon. You can add according to your taste. Simple salt I added. You can add of your style, whichever you can add. Then other things. Then you can add now the drained soya chunks and rest of your spices. In spices, this ginger. Little ginger, either you can cut it in cut form, grate it or grind it. Anything you can add. Then rice on the other side. Rice, I took half of it, half cup rice. Wash it properly 3-4 times and then add it to the pan. And 2 spoons biryani masala, half spoon red chili flake or red chili powder and half teaspoon black pepper, 1 big spoon sesame seeds. You can add all these. Then tomato, cut tomato, everything in single pan you add and let it cook. Very easily you can cook it. And in single pot you can have a lot of nutrition in everything in a single pan. See, mix it properly. And after, now everything, whatever we want to put, that is added almost. Then you can add one chopped this chili, one big chopped chili, and mix everything and put water. Water generally in rice, double water is added. If you're cooking in the pan, I'm half cup rice I took, and 1.5 cup water I'm putting, because there are other things also along with. Only this, not only water, only rice, there are many more things. And if you're cooking in pressure cooker, just add 3/4 cup of water. In pressure cooker it will take very less time, and in pan it will take a bit more time. 15 minutes, it can be cooked within 15 minutes. You can check from time to time after every 5 minutes. That's all. But that's all. There is nothing much to do, and this is so delicious and so nice that you will forget your chips, kurkure and all that. And this food, homemade food, in a few minutes, in 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Cover it now. You can check it after 5 minutes. See, this is something like this. Wow. Everything is mixed properly. It is taking its texture. See how nicely it is intermingling, and wow, this seems so delicious. See it, you can see it. Spoon very softly. You should. I'm showing this demo. That's why I'm showing from all the sides. Otherwise, the rice, they will break. If you do it vigorously, don't do it vigorously. Very softly you mix it, or if you don't mix it, then also it, because in the beginning you mixed everything. It is taking its taste. It is taking its texture, and it is taking after next 5 minutes. See. It is something like this. Demo I'm showing. Within 15 minutes, it will be cooked. See, this is almost softened. Rice are softened. Vegetables are already, they are very easily softened. No problem it is. See, this is, yeah, very nicely. It is somewhat, it is almost cooked. And within few minutes, it will be done now. This one single pot, in this single pot, it is stuff of vitamins, minerals, protein and fiber, and everything homemade. And there is nothing, I did not put any kind of color, any kind of preservative or anything like this. Is all close to nature and in the natural form within single pot. See, after next 5 minutes, this is cooked. Yeah, it is softened. See, this is ready. Now this is almost ready. Let water drain out. Yes, it is. Now you can serve it. You can decorate it in your way. The ingredients that are put inside, all of them are very good for human body. It is good for all ages. You can relish it anytime with tea, snack, morning, breakfast, with lunch or dinner, anything like. Now you can decorate it with coriander leaves. I put one big spoon butter in it. You can put olive oil if you want, virgin olive oil. You can add coriander. You can decorate it with oregano. You can sprinkle oregano, then coriander leaves, then mint leaves. Yes, this is ready now. Within 10 minutes, 15 minutes. If the flame is high, within 10 minutes. If it is in pressure cooker, in fact, this is from 5 to 7 minutes, it can be cooked. See how taste it is, how nice and how nutritious it is. Yes, now you can empty it in your bowl, wherever you want to relish. Nice, you can enjoy it. Friends, if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. You can put a comment so that I can know. See, this is done all within minutes. It is a good lunch, dinner or anything. You can enjoy it with green salad. You can enjoy it with the sauce, either with anything. With lunch, dinner, it can go with anything, and within minutes this is ready. This is very healthy, and this is very handy. See, it is cooked. Wow, this is within minutes. Thanks for watching. Try today only and add to your diet. Stick on to healthy diet so that more dishes which are friends, health is wealth. Eat healthy, remain healthy, cook healthy. So just try these ones and I'm sure you'll enjoy. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.